Yeah, that starts a new video.
I
Alright, anyway.
Yeah, we can cook, but we can't work the pan.
Yep. There's the pan. We're gonna let this thing. There we go. She's smoking. You can see it smoking. So now, I'm gonna hand this to Sean, who isn't gonna touch any buttons or the screen. And we're gonna put the steaks in. These are thin steaks. They are seasoned with salt, lemon pepper.
Awkward pause.
And a little bit of garlic. We're going to keep this going as a single shot. I don't have enough steaks to do it again, so I'm going to try this in one shot.
I made a different day.
Nothing to touch the heat. Oh, and if you can see, we're starting to get those nice juices at the top. These won't take long, they're very thin. Watch and see all them juices coming out. That. Also, you see that side of the pan's a little hotter. I'm just going to spin it. And we're going to look at the bottom of this. See? This pan is nicely seasoned. See how those move around so nice? Nothing is sticking. We're getting there. We're getting there. Just a little bit more. Get a nice sear on it. Alright, we're going to take a break. I'll bring you back when we flip them over. No, top one. Alright. Yeah, it's only been about 30 seconds. Gonna put that. You check this one. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Now, at this point in time, the next thing I'm gonna add a little bit of Italian seasoning to them. I'm sorry, I don't have fresh seasoning, but I'm just going to put that on top, because with the dry seasoning, I don't want it to burn. But it'll come in there. The other thing I'm going to do is, again, we're going to add some butter. We're gonna let that melt down. Gonna let all them juices and everything mix. And I wish I brought a spoon out. But we're gonna cover these steaks. With that butter. I'm gonna leave them sit there for a minute while my hand cools down. These are almost done. These do not take long. Lift them up a little bit. Let that get underneath there. We still got a little bit more to go. All right, I'll bring you back in just a minute.
Yep. Hold on.
Okay. Put that up there. Ooh, left that pan on, that plate on, a little too long. We're just gonna put these over here on the taters and let them rest. This, I'm gonna leave for my brother-in-law John to touch. Just gonna give this one a minute. Okay. Put this up here on the taters. Gonna let them rest. Now, for all those that are wondering, what are you gonna do with this mess right here? This is what I'm gonna do with it. And, oh my God, what's he doing with that piece of metal? That's what I'm doing with it. Shut up, squeaker. We're not going to break the shot, so you know I'm not cheating, but I'm going to go dump this water out.
Can you grab my beer, please? You won't tear apart.
The next thing I'm going to do is wipe the pan out. And the third thing I'm going to do is, while it's still hot, add a little bit of oil to it. Rub that in. And the more seasoning you get on it, the darker it's going to get. And all those little scrapes and everything will go away. But as you can see, nothing stuck to that pan. So paper towel, there's all the dirt. The paper towel will get rid of all of it. Cast iron pans are easy to clean up. And this here is not in the kitchen, where we have a sink, where everything is completely controlled. We're sitting out here in the shed with a brand new cast iron pan, using it for the first time, and it cooked up everything very well. Now I think these steaks have set long enough. You see, we cut into one. See what it looks like. Thank you, John. Very thin steaks. Can you see the red? That's a definite medium steak. There we go, guys. I will bring you back shortly when everyone else tries it, because I ain't eating this shit. I don't trust my own cooking. I'm gonna make sure they eat it first and see if they survive. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, guys.
God, how much salt did you put on this bitch?
I like
Steak.
potatoes are awesome.
We're trying the steak, we're trying the potatoes, we're trying everything. And we'll get honest opinions. Already in the background you heard John say there was too much salt on something.
Potatoes are awesome.
Melody said taters were awesome.
I think it's all good. Potatoes.
Sean thinks everything's good. Now I'm not going to show Melody's face, but there's her hands
Steak's good.
and her plate. The steak's good.
Mm-hmm.
John, what had too much salt? I'm not showing your face.
Let me try the second piece. Either that or I just get one at the end.
I think maybe it was just
Just tastes a little salty to me on the steak, that's all.
okay. Taters?
Oh, they're awesome as usual.
Okay. Bacon?
Mm-hmm.
That came out real good.
Okay.
Huh?
It is deer meat.
All right, and this
Man, I
is a
think that's what it
venison
was.
steak. I know I had my doubts on it because this one here somebody gave me.
It's a sinews you're looking at that's not fat.
Yep. So, but that's why I
Used to that much salt on the bamboo steak.
yep, that's why I put the bacon. And of course, we bought the cheap bacon too. That's what the problem might be, John.
Bacon wasn't
We got the salted bacon.
cherry wood apple.
Yeah, but it's still salted heavily.
Said it was all
Anyway,
apple.
thank you, John. Everything's good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now, if anyone has to get rushed to the hospital, I'll bring you back for the ambulance ride and the trip to see how they're doing.
We're
but-
gonna have a beer first, so Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Thank you all for your help, your support. Like, comment, and subscribe, please. Please comment. Let us know what's going on.
We keep forgetting.
See y'all later.